presenter is Miss Neha Sharma, AGM Sales and Marketing, Jindal Steel and Power. Let's all welcome her.
Good afternoon, respected delegates from Railway and Metro Organization and my industry colleagues. From Jindal Steel and Power, we manufacture various products for railway segment and metros, but today I'll specifically take you along our rail manufacturing process and product. So Jindal Steel and Power brings for you Make in India rails for railway and metro projects. So I'll quickly brief you about the OP Jindal group because people often get confused between JSPL and JSW. So we are a part of OP Jindal group, which is the largest steel manufacturer in India. So the group is divided among 4 independent units: Jindal Saw Limited, which manufactures saw pipes. So there are various So there are various companies within Jindal Saw Limited. Then there is JSW Steel, which is in the southern and western part of India and majorly produces flat products. They are the largest independent steel manufacturer of India. Then the third is Jindal Stainless. They are into stainless steel manufacturing and they are also a major vendor to railway segment. And fourth is Jindal Steel and Power, which I am representing. Our manufacturing facilities are located in the eastern belt of India, and we are majorly into structural steels. And very soon we'll be entering in a big way in the flat product market as well. So these are the manufacturing units of Jindal Steel and Power. We have 3 manufacturing units in India. The preliminary, we started off with Jindal Steel and Power Raigad plant. Raigad is in Chhattisgarh. The capacity, integrated steel plant has a capacity of 3.6 million ton per annum, and this is the place where we manufacture rails. Second is Patratu, Jharkhand, where we manufacture TMT, rebars, and wire rods. And the third is Angul, which is in Odisha, where we have an integrated steel plant of capacity 6 million tons per annum. Very soon we'll be having one more rail mill, which will be at Angul, Odisha, 1.2 million ton per annum capacity. So these are the different products of Jindal Steel and Power. We manufacture TMT rebars with the brand name Jindal Panther. Then we do manufacture, these TMT rebars also goes to the metro projects and railway construction projects. Then wire rods, we manufacture various grades of wire rods. It goes for PSC sleepers and then rounds for elastic rail clips. Then we do manufacture plates. The iconic Chenab Bridge is also built using JSPL plates. Then this the main product of Jindal Steel and Power, the rails. Then structural steel, angle, channel, beam, column, sheet piles, and we also manufacture prefabricated structures. We are approved by RDSO for manufacturing bridge girders, but we have not catered much products, but we are looking for opportunity to do so. These are the rails of Jindal Steel and Power. We can manufacture single panel of 120 meter long and welded rail panels of 260 meter. So as of now, in IRS T12 specification of RDSO, there are 3 different rail sections and 4 different grades. We are proud to say that we are the first Indian manufacturer who have developed all the 4 sections, all the 3 sections and all the 4 grades, grade 880, R260, 1080 HH, and also now R350 HT, and the asymmetric rail 60 even A1. We can manufacture rails in IRS 52, 60 E1, 60 even A1, and as per European specification, we can also manufacture 54 kg rails. So the advanced manufacturing facility of Jindal Steel and Power is integrated right from the raw material iron ore and coal, which we source from captive mines, and the power requirement is also catered through captive power plant. So we have end-to-end control manufacturing process. This is how we maintain the superior quality of the rails that we manufacture. So I'll take you through the small video of Raigad manufacturing unit, which will help you get more insight about the manufacturing process.
Jindal Steel and Power Limited, JSPL, with its state-of-the-art rail and universal beam mill in Raigad, Chhattisgarh, is a name to be reckoned with. Best standards of rail manufacturing processes are followed to deliver world-class rail tracks. The process begins with the selection of the best iron ore from our mines to converting it into hot metal using the world's largest rotary kiln in conjunction with the blast furnace. The melting of rail steel is done via electric arc furnace (EAF) using sponge iron from DRI and hot metal produced from the blast furnace, ensuring a high purity of steel. The steel is then refined in a secondary refining furnace equipped with ladle refining furnace. Ladle refining affords the steelmaker with the flexibility to control the processing of heats in order to achieve greater efficiencies and superior metallurgical traits. Gases dissolved in steel may have high detrimental effects like shatter cracks during usage and must be controlled in very close limits. At JSPL, Rustal Harias RH degasser is used for cleaning steel from dissolved gases like hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. In RH degassing, pressure inside the liquid steel is reduced to less than 1 mbar, while ensuring that the hydrogen content is less than 1.6 ppm, as specified in IRS T12-2009 rail specifications. The clean liquid steel is then cast into solid steel blooms using the continuous casting machine CCM, equipped with electromagnetic stirring EMS, ensuring excellent cleanliness, soundness, reduced inclusions and higher equiaxed zone, resulting in superior quality of casting. These steel blooms are then reheated in a walking beam type of furnace prior to rolling to ensure uniform heating, prevention of skid marks across the blooms. The uniformly heated blooms are immediately passed through the high-pressure primary descaler to achieve scale-free surface. Water jet at a high pressure of 200 bar ensures a clean surface. Rail rolling is done using universal rolling. The heated blooms are rolled in the mill through breakdown stand, intermediate stand, and then the tandem mill, which consists of universal roughing, universal edger, and universal finishing stands. This state-of-the-art tandem mill with XH rolling technology by SMS Meyer, Germany, allows strict control of finished rail dimensions with close tolerances. During the rolling process, improved rail steel grain structure is achieved and sound internal quality is ensured for the best performance of rail with desired hardness, wear resistance and superior strength. Online hot stamping of rails is done as per the specifications. The as-rolled rail is cut into ordered length with finishing hot saws. These rails are handled in 123-meter long walking beam-type cooling bed, the longest one in the country. This bed can accommodate 121 meters long single rail. JSPL makes longest rails of 121 meters in the world. Rails are air-cooled to ambient temperature so as to ensure minimum internal stress in the rail. The rails are then passed through a series of straightening rollers. The state-of-the-art straightening machine from SMS Meyer, Germany, with modern technology and high-level automation to obtain optimum straightening characteristics for high-speed rails, ensures superior straightness of rails. But it isn't only the world-class technology that makes JSPL the largest rail manufacturer in the country. Also in place are strong and focused quality assurance systems comprising modern testing facilities for all online and offline tests as indicated in IRS T12-2009. The online testing facility of JSPL includes online profile checking machine to monitor profile geometry and surface imperfection, laser straighteners machine for checking horizontal and vertical flatness of rails from SMS Mir, Germany, eddy current testing for checking for surface imperfections, ultrasonic testing for internal defects checking, online color marking unit for marking defects, whereas their offline testing facility includes spectrometer to measure chemical composition, tensile testing, hardness measurement, residual stress measurement, fracture toughness measurement, falling weight test, decarburization and inclusion rating study, sulfur print test. JSPL rails before dispatch are tested and verified by RITES, a Government of India renowned inspection agency. Each rail after inspection by RITES is stamped as per standard specification. JSPL also provides up to 484 meters welded rail panels using the 121 meters long rails with state-of-the-art flash butt welding machine supplied from Railtech Schlathor, France, supplemented with automatic brushing, automatic welding machine with built-in stripping unit. Even the rail handling process at JSPL is designed to provide damage-free rails to customers via usage of synchronized hoists crane system to handle long rails up to 260 meters. With its constant endeavor to provide most advanced products, JSPL has come up with head-hardened rails that are used in high axle loads and high-speed trains. This is a new initiative by JSPL, first in the country. JSPL has an unshakable commitment to preserving and protecting the environment. The plant's clean, green and eco-friendly practices bring the concept of better technology, better world to real life.
So, a very complex process, well managed and synchronized to deliver the best quality rails to the railway segment and metro rails. As already briefed, we have the entire all 100% rails are inspected and cleared by the Government of India agency RITES, which has more reliability. Then I'll quickly take you through the JSPL rail journey. We had established our rail mill back in 2003, but we got our first order for supply of rails to mainline application in 2012, and we supplied in 2013 to DFCC project through Tata Eldesa. Then the first major export consignment we did was for Iran Railways in 2014. That was 1.5 lakh metric ton. And it also included 20,000 metric ton of head-hardened rails, which was our first head-hardened rail order. In 2016, we had developed the head-hardened rail manufacturing facility. So the order which we got in 2014 for Iran Railways, we catered in 2017. We completed that in 2017. Then in 2018, we got our first opportunity to supply rails to Indian Railways through a developmental order. That was 1.26 lakh metric ton, which we had completed in well within the schedule. Then in 2019, we got our first head-hardened rail supply order from Kolkata Metro. And the journey continues from there. And so far, till 2023, we have supplied over 13 lakh ton rails to the DFCC project, Indian Railways, RVNL, the metro rail projects like Gujarat Metro, MP Metro, Chennai Metro, Mumbai Metro, and many other. And we hope to continue this journey with lot of projects coming up. And we also hope to get an opportunity to supply the R350 HT rails for the prestigious high-speed train projects of Indian Railways. These are some of the pictures from the site, the Kolkata Metro project, in which RVNL has placed an order for supply of head-hardened rails on JSPL. This track has already been commissioned in December 2022. So if we get opportunity, we request through this platform, we want to request all the metro rail corporations to continue this, to continue to provide opportunity to JSPL, because we have various advantages over the imports. We do, as I've already shown it to you, how do we follow the quality procedures to deliver the best quality without any compromise. Then there are some other commercial and hidden benefits as well. Like we are quoting prices in INR, whereas in case of imports, you get it in US dollar or euros, and whatever the surges in foreign exchange, that has to be borne by the metro rail corporations. Then better inventory management, we can supply you customized length and in small lots as well. Because when you bring imports, you have to buy a lot of 5,000 to 6,000 metric ton in one go, whereas we can cater small requirements of 400, 500 to 1,000 metric ton as well. And then the shorter lead time. When you get imports, you have to place an order 6 months in advance, open an LC, and then wait for the rails to come. Whereas if you place an order on us, we can supply the rails within a span of 1 month to 1.5 months. And also in the required quantities. So, thank you so much for the patience.